Hello friends, welcome to your Learning Glory YouTube channel. Today learn about composite numbers. Composite numbers are opposite of prime numbers. I hope you understand the prime numbers. और अगर आपको प्राइम नंबर्स का मतलब नहीं पता है तो ऊपर आई बटन पे जाके आप वो वीडियो देख सकते हैं. Then let's begin. Composite numbers are they numbers which have many factors than 2. Means composite numbers वे numbers होती हैं जिनके factors 2 से ज़्यादा होते हैं. और अगर किसी संख्या के 2 factors होते हैं तो वे prime numbers कहलाती हैं. Understand? Okay. I ask you a question. What about 2? 2 is a composite number? No. 2 is not a composite number. 2 is a prime number. Because 2 has 2 factors. 1 and 2. Yes, 2 is a prime number. And what about 3? No, 3 is not a composite number because 3 has also 2 factors. 1 and itself means 3. Okay, then what about 4? Yes, 4 is a composite number because 4 has 3 factors. 1, 2 and 4. Yes, then many other numbers are composite numbers. Example, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 and many other numbers. Yes, and many other numbers are composite numbers. Okay, I hope you understand composite numbers and prime numbers. And you just like, share and subscribe this video. See you again. Bye bye.